online shoppers. I want to show you this really cool under cabinet organizer that I was given by the company for the purpose of doing a review. So I didn't purchase this, it was given to me in exchange for the review, but I'm going to do an unboxing and show you what it looks like. And if you're really interested, I am also going to do a review of this so you can come back and see what it looks like when it's installed. Now this is two sets of 3-tier organizers. We'll get it out here, get rid of that plastic, and pull it out right here like that. So here are the bases right here in the box. And everything is, of course, all taped together so that it packages really nice and so that none of the pieces are missing when you open it. So there are two bases. Okay. You get an instruction manual right here and dividers as well. These are cool. And these are the metal pegs that go in between each of the rows. Installation is really easy. You just have to put them in here like that and like that. Now they fit in nice and firm, which I like. And these trays have a front and a back. They have like a slider tray because you can actually slide your trays out when you have this. You have two bases here, and you can tell it's the base because it has the little rubber stoppers on the bottom so that it sits really nice. So we've got that. I'm going to get another set of these poles here together and assemble it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this here is the second shelf and it has a hole top and bottom. The bottom shelf gets the taller pegs. This taller one is going to pair with the shorter ones here. So we're going to put this on top just like that. Fits in really nice. Get it in, 1, 2, 3, and there. Give it a good push. Make sure everything's nice and level like that. And then you can use your smaller pegs here, just like this. The tray that you set up with the tallest pipes is going to get the shorter pipes put on the top, just like that. So we're going to put those in, just like that. And continue the rest of the install. Okay. And this one, like this, is actually going to install like this. Those, so you see that they both end up being approximately the same height. But there we go. Now the top bin that goes on here is going to be one of the bins that also has the stoppers. Okay, so now that we have the basic installation done, we have the 3 tiers assembled, we get these really nice additional bins. Now the bins are going to slide in just like this, and then you end up with 3 really nice tiers of shelving that slide in and out from your rack. It's nice and sturdy. And I've had folding racks like this before, and one of the things I found with them is that I didn't like them because they were flimsy. Well, this is definitely not flimsy. This is a very sturdy plastic that is making up the drawers like this. They're well supported on the bottom. Now, in addition to the 3, you get these really neat little dividers, and the dividers can be placed right inside like this to help you divide all of the compartments in here. They just snap into place so that you can divide your storage and you get lots of options for putting multiple things into your drawer. Now I like this for hair ties and hair bands. I like this for different feminine supply products. It's a really great idea for being able to store your bottles of, say, nail polish or your grooming supplies, razors, extra razor refills. There's so many different uses for this. I love the sliding divider so I can divide everything It's really nice and sturdy, and the fact that it's made of this clear plastic means that you can actually see quite well what's in on all the layers. As well, with it being clear plastic like this, the light passes through, so it's never really a matter of not being able to see what's on the shelving unit because you've got good passage of light as well. Now, they sit the same height pretty much, and they also come with a couple extra of the silicone stoppers for putting on the bottom to make sure that your little organizers have a good solid grip inside of the bathroom cabinet. This is also really cool for crafts. If you're organizing things like your glue gun, your craft pieces like your little pom-poms and your googly eyes, there's all kinds of uses for this. As for the dimensions of these really neat little storage cubes, these are, let me see. As for the dimensions of these little storage organizers, they are almost 8.5 inches across. They are 14.5 inches tall. There's about a 6-inch difference between here and almost a 7-inch difference between here. So you've got 8.3 by 14.6 by 12.6 inches. So these will definitely fit underneath your sink. You can even put them on either side of any sink hardware that is underneath your bathroom sink. And as I said before, they're great for sewing, for crafts, for makeup, nail polish, all kinds of different uses for these. I can't wait to put them in place and see how many different combinations I can use them for. I really like how nice and easy it was to put it together. I also really like that I've got a variety of different size storage options here. I haven't used it yet out of the box. I think it's really cool, but I definitely think it's going to be a family favorite at my house.